have the hiccups and I'm trying my new hiccup extra. Wait, what? This cup is trash for this. How many times do I use it?
Are the hiccups still there?
I don't know. I hiccuped.
Are you still hiccupy?
What is that supposed to mean?
Are you still having the hiccups?
I don't know. Maybe.
No, they're gone.
Okay.
So it works.